Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We are continuing the build of the Don Smith Plans B-17. We're shifting our focus now to getting the right inner wing panel built, and then we will join the right inner wing panel with the left inner wing panel. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the build. All right, friends, we've gone ahead and epoxied ribs 1, 2, and 3 to the dihedral braces. We've let it sit overnight, so now it's time to join the wing halves together. All right, friends, continue our update. Look what we have here. We've got the outboard wing attached to the inboard wing on the right side. How great is that? We're doing some dry fitting now, just seeing what needs to be fixed. Right off the bat, we are definitely going to have to go ahead and open up these holes just a little bit to get this outboard wing to sit more at the proper angle. We're also going to go ahead and break this rib here free from this particular portion of the flap trailing edge, or leading edge, excuse me. And then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing down here at the bottom. It turns out when I was putting this rib on, I neglected to pay close attention to make sure it was aligned correctly when I was putting on the pieces here and the piece here. So therefore, that's why we've got that gap there, and we've got to close that gap. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, friends, we've gone ahead and we have fixed the gaps in our wing. You can see here on the leading edge, looks fantastic. And when we pan up, you can see the trailing edge also looks great. A little bit of a minor gap, very, very, very small, not too concerned about it, but compared to before, it looks fantastic. Now, we're gonna go ahead and shift our focus to getting our wing half joiner in place, which we're gonna glue here. So let's keep on building. All right, friends, we've gone ahead and we've got our wing joiner in place, and it just looks fantastic. We're going to go ahead now and shift our focus to the right outer wing panel. We're going to go ahead and finish sheeting that bottom half of the wing, shaping our leading edge, and putting our wingtip in place, and then the outer wing panel will be done. Then we're going to go ahead and shift our focus back to the inner wing panel and get that completed. So let's sit back, relax, and enjoy the building. All right, friends, we finished up our right outer wing panel, and it just looks fantastic. And we've gone ahead, we've attached both outer wing panels to the inboard portion of the wing. And folks, this wing is huge. That's an 8-foot table right there, and you can see how it extends well past the 8-foot table. Very satisfying to see this. So at this point, we're going to end this portion of the video, but folks, stay tuned because we're going to shift our focus now to the inboard portion of the wing, getting that all finished up. So subscribe, like the video, and more to come.